Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically um, generate the text-to-speech that you've been listening on TikTok. It's actually on CapCut, so just download the app on your phone or on your PC. It's going to be the same thing. Go to text, add in your default text, type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in, hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Yay. So the voice that people use a lot is the Jessie one and the Trickster one. I think the Trickster, I can talk. The Trickster one is in TikTok, is on TikTok. So just go with the Jessie one. I don't know if they have it here or not, but if you are able to find it, that's good. I'm just going to go with the Jessie one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel, yay!
And you're just going to select generate speech, and it's going to bring the audio here. You can kind of adjust the volume. That was so loud in my ears, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.